Here I am again. I have changed my mind. Hey guys, today is day 95 and my book is full. We finished our last page yesterday, this page here. And so now what I want to do is I have 3 options, well 4. This page, and front and back. If I'm on page 94 here, that leaves 95, 96, 97, and if I count this 98, that means 2 pages have to be done separately. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do my first single page that I'm going to stick in this pocket here. And I'm going to cut it down to about this size here, so it'll fit in here easily. So what I've got here is I thought I would pull some paper out of my, one of my journals or mixed media books or something and use that as my page I decorate. But then I thought, well, why do that? Why not use some Happy Mail that was sent to me, some paper? And so I went through the paper and I saw this paper here that a note was on, and Eileen sent this to me, and it says, I have no idea what to make of this one, but I know you will make something beautiful out of it. Well, I really don't know what I would do with it either, honestly, but I'm going to try. So what I did was I pulled this paper out and I'm going to cut it down to the size that I need to insert it into my envelope, and then I'm going to decorate that. And both sides are the same, it's just reversed, everything's over here on this side and over here on this side. So I've got this out, and then I pulled out a few napkins. And I don't know if I'll use any of these, but I pulled out what I thought I could maybe incorporate into the color scheme. And I'll just show you real quick so you have an idea. And then a piece of paper here, some music on it. And another piece of paper here with some text on it. And then some odd and end things that have little things that I liked and I could possibly use in this paper here. So, I wouldn't use that side, something over here maybe. So that's what I've got that I'm going to work with. And I pulled this one out because I wanted to think about this little section here. And I pulled this out because of this little area here. Or possibly just the butterfly. And then I have a few little fabric scraps or some twine and ribbon and stuff here that I could possibly use. So I don't have a clue what's going to happen. I'm going to get my measurements first and cut my paper down, and then when I come back I'll have that paper in front of me, and then I'll just start trying to figure out what to do. One thing I want to say before I actually start cutting my page, which I'm going to do off camera, is I was just about to get the measurements off my book, and this has been on the book ever since I bought it, and it's been on it through the whole way, creating these pages, and I'm not going to eliminate this altogether. I may incorporate this into part of my project. Like I would maybe think about cutting this little section off here and using it on my page here. I just think it belongs with the book. The book's been holding up really well and I've really enjoyed it, and this has been with it the whole time, so I think I want to use it. I'm just going to make sure that I don't lose it. I'm going to keep it with my book here because I'm definitely going to use it somehow. Okay, so I just want to tell you that because when you see this book again, you'll see that I've removed it and it's not there anymore, but I am going to keep it. Okay, now I'm going to cut my paper and I'll be right back. Okay, my paper's cut, and I don't want to make it too thick and bulky, but I do have a little leeway, so I'm just going to start going through here and just see what I can come up with. I like this little guy down here, so I'm kind of thinking I'll leave him. If not, if this whole thing gets covered, then it's still serving a purpose, and you can still see the back when you turn it over. So I'm not going to worry about leaving anything exposed, but it is an option. Okay, I'm going to stop. I don't want to do any more to it. I like it the way it is. So let's see if it fits in our book the way I hope it will. Yep. Okay, so we've got page 95 all done. It's stored in this little pocket, and if you want to look through the book, you can just pull it out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for being here, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye. I changed my mind. I know, we just said goodbye. Here I am again. I have changed my mind. I don't want to put this in the pocket. We still have to put one or two in the pocket, but I don't want to do this one. What I want to do with this one is glue it to this page here. Like that. That's what I'm going to do with this one. And it means you can't see the back, so I'll have to re-sign it again. But it just made sense. When I was closing the book or doing something, I noticed I just liked it there, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it there. I'm just going to put a little bit of double-sided tape down to help hold it on, because we've got a little bit of thicker paper here. And then I'm going to glue it down. Okay, let's put a little glue down. And someone asked me about glue the other day, and I'm sorry, I don't remember who I was talking to about this. I'd have to look back at my comments. But you see I'm using my glue stick and my wet glue and some double-sided tape, because I really want this to stick, because I've got a hard piece of paper there, and this piece of paper is not that lightweight. So I really want it to stay on. And because I'm using all that, I have a little bit of leeway to move it around before it actually sticks. And this will stay on just fine. Okay, I'm happier with this way. So now when we open our book, there's our first page. Now we're done, and I will see you again soon again. Bye-bye.